Most people get this wrong when redeeming an Xbox gift card. They think it is complicated or broken, but in reality, it is usually just a simple step they missed. Here's the truth no one tells you. Redeeming an Xbox gift card is easy if you follow the correct process in the right order. In this video, you will learn exactly how to redeem an Xbox gift card in 2026 step by step, and avoid the common mistakes that block your code. Let's start immediately with the fastest method. First, turn on your Xbox console or open the Microsoft Store on your PC or mobile browser. You can redeem the code on any of these platforms, but the steps must be correct. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users like Alex or John try to redeem the code inside random menus, and that is where errors start. You need to go to the official redemption page or the dedicated redeem section in the store. On Xbox console, press the Xbox button to open the guide. Go to Store. Then scroll down and select Redeem. This is where you enter your 25-character gift card code. But here's the problem. One small typing mistake can stop everything. So enter the code slowly. Make sure every letter and number matches exactly. Avoid confusing O with 0 or I with 1. Once you enter the code, press Confirm. If everything is correct, your balance will be added instantly to your Microsoft account. Now let's talk about PC users. Open the Microsoft Store or go directly to the redeem page on your browser. Sign in with the same Xbox account you use on your console. Then enter your code in the redeem box and click Confirm. The balance will sync automatically across all devices. But here's something most people don't realize. If your code does not work, it is usually not the system. It is one of three issues. Either the code was already used, the region does not match your account, or there is a temporary server delay. So if you see an error, do not panic. First, check your account region. Then wait a few minutes and try again. In many cases, the issue fixes itself. Now here's a small tip that helps a lot. Always redeem your gift card on a stable internet connection, and avoid switching devices mid-process. That prevents sync errors. To summarize, redeeming an Xbox gift card in 2026 is simple. Go to the Redeem section, enter the code carefully, confirm it, and your balance will be added instantly. Most problems come from small mistakes, not the system itself. If this helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides that save you time and avoid frustration.